Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today I attempted this 8 August 2021 shift first memory based paper from test book, and now I will show you the scores. First the rank is 919 out of 40,000. Then the score is 76.25, and I did like in one question I had some doubt, but in two questions I made some silly mistakes. Then I attempted all 80 questions. The accuracy is 96.25 and the percentile is 97.5. Okay, so let me show you. This is the RRB Office Assistant Prelims 8 August 2021 shift first memory based paper. And if I tell you about the level of the paper, it is like exactly the same level which we expect from RRB clerk. So I found this like all the questions were doable and all the questions were easy. One can easily mark all the questions and we can attempt all 80 questions in 45 minutes. Plus the level is also given according to the level of RRB clerk examination. So there is nothing wrong in their level also. Now I will show you the section wise scores. So first in reasoning, I got 38.75 marks. One question was wrong in reasoning. Then in quant I got 37.5 and two questions were wrong. So usually I get 100% accuracy in quant, but this time I don't know, at that point of time like I did not know how to solve one question of bot and stream. But yeah, I attempted one wrong question of DIE in which the ratio was asked, so I had made some silly mistake. So this is the score, 76.25. I attempted all 80 questions. Then the accuracy is 97.5 in reasoning and 95 in quant, and the time taken is this 21 minutes around in reasoning and then 21 to 22 minutes around in quant. So total 43 minutes were sufficient to attempt all the questions. But I was stuck in one puzzle in reasoning because of some I did not read one line. That's why I was stuck in it for a long time. But if anyone is good in reasoning, then he can easily attempt all the 80 questions in less than 40 minutes also, because the level was very easy and it is the same, like everyone is saying that it is the same question paper which came in the RRB Office Assistant 8 August prelims. And if you are planning to buy test book yearly pass, then you can go for it, as it is highly affordable, plus it contains all the mock test for SSC, railway and banking examinations. Plus in the yearly pass subscription you get the extra practice questions, plus 330 mock tests are also available and 17,000 practice question. I will give you the link of test book yearly pass in description, and by using my code you will get some discount also, as the level of this question paper was same as the level of test book mock test. So you can't doubt it. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and please try to write your score in the comment section also. That's all. Thank you and all the best for your examinations. And one more thing is that if you have your exam tomorrow, then today do not attempt any other mock test. Do not attempt any mock test now, because if you get, by chance if you get low scores, then it will down your morale. So try to keep your confidence high, and that's all. Thank you.